In this video, we are going to unbox and set up the Coleman Power Steel Swimming Pool. If you're new to this channel, we do detailed reviews for all sorts of items that matter to you. If that sounds awesome, consider subscribing and hitting that bell so you don't miss an item. Let's start unboxing this pool right now. We bought this above ground swimming pool at our local Walmart. It's only one box, but it comes with plenty of stuff inside. Let's take a quick look. As you can see here, it comes with a few boxes with other items wrapped up, and we are going to unbox all of them to show you what it comes with. The first thing we unboxed was the pool, because according to the instructions, we need to spread out the pool and make sure the pool is right side up. Let it sit exposed to direct sunlight for 1 hour or more so that the pool is more flexible during setup. While the pool is getting some heat from the sun, we opened up the box that had a lot of rails in it. Be sure you have all of these things. It came with 6 E connectors, 4 F connectors, 10 footings, 2 A rails, 8 B rails, 8 C rails, 10 vertical pool legs, and 10 U supports. Another box came with 1 pool inlet strainer, 1 control valve, 2 stoppers, 1 hose adapter, paper stuff, and a pool cover. My wife is now opening the box that contains a filter pump and all of its accessories, and we'll show you how to connect it later. This box right here contains parts of the ladder, and we will also install this in another video. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's learn how to assemble this pool. The manual tells you to start right here, and I'm going to show you how we connected the rails going this direction. This is A, and you should have 1, 2, 3, 4 B's. So after the B, the F, C, E, C, E, C, E, then C, F, and the rest should be B, 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 and here's the A. And that A connects to the F. C, E, C, C, E, C, E, C, F. And this is where I started. A. Alright, so then you grab one of these and you notice it goes under F. So you should have 5 of them on each side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yep, so that would be F, E, E, F. And it should be like this on the other side over there. And these U looking things, they go under the A's, and these go under B's. So you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on one side. And same thing on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's what it looks like. All right, so we're gonna grab A first. All right, and we brought all the other ones. So B, 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 and B.
So we're going to snap the
A to B.
To the B. And you will do the rest.
And do all that right there.
So A,
so we're gonna put this one big honkin' piece inside the pool. Okay, so it goes
on the edge of the curve.
Edge of the curve.
And I'll
so
open
right there.
this.
Okay, so now you're gonna do exactly the same thing on the other side. All right, here we go. All right, so you got these sticking out right now. Right there. All right, next step, we're gonna get the F.
So you'll just attach this in the bottom here. Now I'm gonna
C.
get the...
Okay. Putting in the C now. All right, next is E. And we get C. Good. All right. Look at the sea. Alright, so F.
Okay. Two. There. Good.
So both sides are now done. It's all connected now. So the next step is to get the vertical pull legs and attach them to F and E rails, and at the bottom of the leg you're supposed to attach the footing. However, what you're watching right now is a tough way to do it, and I'll explain why right now. Alright guys, so make sure that the pull is inside here. So that's what we kind of forgot, but not a big deal, we could fix it right now. So if you didn't do it right the first time, you'll just have to do it this way all around. Okay, this is the correct way to do it. Go behind the sling like that, and you attach it to F or E rails on the top and put the footing if you haven't done so already. So anyway, that's what's supposed to happen. Alright, so we got this done. And these guys are gonna go there. And don't forget to pull out these support slings just in case they are hiding from you.
So you get this. This one. Ready? Set. Go. That. Do that. Then you grab this. And you shoot it here. Right there. And you make sure the other one is even. And ready? Go. And you're just gonna like straighten this right here. You'll do exactly the same on the other side.
Alright, what it looks like so far. Okay, so that's what it looks like. We are now straightening it. My wife used that ladder right there to get in. And now she's straightening the whole thing. After taking out those wrinkles the best that we can, the next thing we did was to take these two provided stoppers and place them here. After installing the stoppers, we took the pull inlet strainer and placed it next to the stoppers. Alright, so it's about 7:35 p.m. on a Sunday night. So we're using 2 hoses. Let's see how long it takes. Well, it took about 6 hours to fill up this pool. Learn from our mistake and set up this pool in the morning so that you can swim in it the same day. To further set up the pool, please click on the other videos on the right side of the screen. And if this video helped you out, please like and subscribe so that you'll know when the next video comes out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next item.